Hi, in this video I want to show you how to stop TikTok video on the needful moment or how to use pause on TikTok. First open the TikTok app on your phone, then find the desired video. For example, I take this video, this is my video, and then you must click on the three dots in the bottom right corner and then click on save video. Okay, video saved, and then you have to go to the your gallery, and your video be here, and then you can select the moment you want using the slider. This all, goodbye.